Have you ever wondered how we predict hurricanes, design safer cars, or even create new medicines? The answer lies in modeling and simulation engineering. And today, I'm going to show you why it's so important. No technical jargon, I promise. Modeling and simulation, or ModSim for short, is like creating a virtual world where we can test ideas and solve problems. Imagine trying out different designs for a bridge, predicting how a disease spreads, or planning a city, all without risking real-world mistakes. In engineering, ModSim helps us build better, safer products faster. For example, instead of physically testing every design for a bridge, we can simulate stress and environmental conditions virtually to find the safest options. In manufacturing, ModSim allows us to optimize production lines, improve efficiency, and test new processes before putting them into practice. This saves time and reduces waste. In healthcare, simulations help train new doctors by allowing them to practice procedures and respond to emergencies in a risk-free virtual environment. And in economics, ModSim is like having the ability to predict the future. We can use it to simulate market trends and test the effects of different policies before implementing them. Modeling and simulation is important because it helps us solve complex problems in a safe, smarter, and faster way. It's all about making informed decisions that impact the real world. If you found this interesting, hit subscribe and let's explore more about how ModSim shapes our world.